The entire place is growing. The nature grows, right? Every time we captivate the space in a very different manner. It's like a travel that kind of started flowing with us. Here we go. We arrive at this beautiful site, the Tamarind Retreat. So when we basically entered the site, we could see a lot of tamarind trees scattered around. Hi guys, I'm Shravanti, Principal Architect and Managing Partner of SN Architects. For more detailed chapters, ebooks, plans, you can visit buildofy.com. The client's brief is very simple. It was a journey of all of his experiences. Away from the hustle bustle of the city, he was looking at a second home. The site here is located in the southwestern corner of the city, which is in the outskirts, which is very close to the Shamshabad airport. We're very close to nature here. The site here is located in an expanse of about 5 acres. We wanted to bring in as less the carbon footprint as we could in this particular site, which is why we scattered the build spaces. Maybe to put it up in a nutshell, it's open, semi-open and covered. We have 10% built of the entire site. We have a straight road from the main highway that leads us to this particular road, and there we enter, which is the northern side. As you arrive here, you arrive at the arrival entrance plaza. This entrance plaza is like the Dwaram, that Dwaram is the gateway that leads you to this entire lawn. So here comes the main entrance of this particular property. The Dwaram is like the door and the gateway which leads you to the main grand lawn. The beauty of this particular entrance is enhanced with 2 elephants that you see here. There is a tree around which you'll be able to see like a coat of stepping stones. As you walk past by this area, you'll be able to quickly see the bird sanctuary here with nice beautiful birds. Now when you diverge in these directions, this particular route, which is on the southern side, leads you to these particular areas. This is the residential build form. Now this particular Woody Cottage is completely made out of wood, where there is a small sit-out deck as you see here, which opens up into the Tot Lot. Moving behind the Woody house, you can see that there's a beautiful bamboo fence that is running, which is kind of connecting the main country house as well as the Woody Cottage, but at the same time there is a visual barrier. This is my northeastern side and this is my southwestern side. So the sun path travels this way, and then you're going back again as the sun sets in the evenings in this direction. So the house has been captured and planned in a manner where you're able to experience the northeastern side sit out during the day, and you're able to even have the sunset experience. The main entrance to this particular area is on the northeastern side, which is the main door, which leads us into a particular living area. From the living, when we move towards the dining gets a view basically both on the eastern and the western side. The eastern side glass door as well as the western side glass door open on the opposite sides. We've actually created a beautiful garden here. Through this particular garden, we've created a very meandering entrance here, surrounded by thick vegetation and trees here. And there is a very beautiful seating clusters that we have created here, which is a very nice interactive area. So as somebody enters, we've actually bought a highlight feature, which is the Buddha here. This is where our woody staircase is. This is a fabricated staircase, finished in wooden treads. The solid wooden treads that have been used for the staircase with a wooden handrail running. We've used glass railing in particular because we didn't want the view from the outside into this particular area to be blocked. As we enter through the staircase, it leads us to the top floor. We have recreated a very outdoor sit-out experience within the indoors. We have also punctuated a beautiful wooden seater. So the entire roof is kind of sloping downward. So this pitched roof is a solid woody ceiling. Coming into the bedroom, the main bedroom area is kind of divided with a bathroom falling on this particular front, which is the southeastern side. And then we have a very nice sit out which is sitting here in this corner with the bedroom falling in the front area. What we've done here is we tried to avoid glass, as you see there. We didn't want to completely block this particular room. So the wooden rafters that you see here running all over the partition are natural pinewood rafters. And the entire ceiling is a pitched roof ceiling. The entire lounge has the eastern and a western as well as the northwestern side experience. The entire lounge is a woody lounge. There's glass running on all the three sides, which is your north, east and the western side, which opens into the greens. But the southern side has been totally highlighted with this particular pitchwai painting. The absorption of all the colors through the pitchwai artwork that we've done is happening on wood. We've used wooden flooring there. The reason behind doing a wooden flooring along with the wooden walls to bring in an entire warmth. When we move towards the western side, we have an open to sky bar. We have created a viewpoint deck here. We have utilized the area below this, which is like a very silent zone, and we created a Zen room, which is like a meditation room. So now this being the lowest point of the site where it became a collection point, we created a pond with certain amount of bunding that is running all over. So we have basically designed a rock feature here, like a rock garden waterfall, where all the boulders that you see here are all belonging to the entire site around. We wanted the house and the entire semi-covered open spaces and the entire open space to be all connected together. So the beauty here is every built space has a very individual experience. Every experience is very dynamic. We knew that the kind of a space that we're going to create will be like a whole journey of different experiences which can be brought and connected together.